Bob here at Term 4 Automotive and Performance. I'm going to show you a little instructional video, not really a do-it-yourself, get up some special tools for this, but how to mount a tire and not damage the wheel. So I think a lot of shops could probably use this. We had a lot of people, why are wheels always damaged? So we're going to show you a brand new white 1552 Tarmac wheel, and we did a video on a couple days ago. So white Tarmac wheel, brand new ExtremeContact DWS Continental 235/4018s. We're going to show you on our tire machine how to do this. So all our custom wheels, we start by expanding the base first, and we'll go ahead and clamp it from the outside, an outside mount, so we don't scar up the inside of the wheel. So we're going to mount this real quick. We'll talk to you while we're doing it, show you the process. Now let's get started. Say brand new white Tarmac wheel. Got to put in your valve stem. Always handy to have one of these valve stem tools. Pulls right into place. So you always want to lubricate your tire. So have your tire ready. Where this is a white wheel, we won't throw it right on top of it. Make sure it's ready. Tires have an inside and outside. Continentals, they say inside or outside. This is outside for Continental here. So throw it down on. Slide your arm in. You're going to adjust it for the right height. Adjust your width on the side. We've been doing 18s all day here, so that's where we want it. Then just rotate it around. Bottom will fall on. As you can see with these low profile tires, they're hard to get down over. So we need to use, our machine has the secondary arm that will allow us to hold the wheel down, the tire down. This assist arm works really well. You just rotate it like normal. The tire slides right down over. You lift the pressure off, finish it out, and now you're good to go. Release your arm, release your clamps. Now we got to set the beads. The front bead's out a little bit, the rear bead's out a little bit. This one should seal up just fine. Regular size tire, regular size wheel. Be a couple pops here. We're going to bring these right up to about 35 PSI. And the customer can adjust from there. We're not putting these on his car. He's just picking these up. There's the back bead. I can see the front bead's still going to set. And here it comes now. Always make sure not to have your finger. Always make sure not to have your finger in there. And we use sticky weights on pretty much all of our wheels, so we're going to go ahead, balance this one up, and then we'll call the customer and tell him his wheels are ready to go. Thanks for watching. That's how you mount and balance a wheel without damaging it. Have a good day.